welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about 15 free tools as you can use in your online business. My name is Stephanie Obi and I'm the author of the book Knowledge is the New Gold. If you're new here, please subscribe, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. First of all, before I will start, I think I must give a disclaimer. All these platforms, some of them have paid features, but if you're a starter, they can allow you to use it for free, and when you become an ogbologbo, you can now move to the paid version. But for now, you can use it for free. So number one, Canva. So Canva is a platform that allows you to design graphics. So you can do social media graphics, you can design slides, you can design everything on Canva. You can design every single thing on Canva. You don't have to be doing Photoshop or CorelDRAW, all those complicated things. Canva allows you to design simple graphics that look nice, and you can use them for so many different things. Another platform you can use is PicMonkey. Like I said, it's these two platforms. They have the paid version, but you can go on for a long time using it for free. Number 3 and 4, Zoom and Skype. So Zoom is a platform that allows you to have online meetings with somebody. Like you can having a live conversation, you can speak to them, they will hear you, you will hear them. So you can have an audio meeting with somebody, you can have a live video meeting with somebody, but it's private. The difference between a Zoom using Zoom and using like doing a live video is that for live videos on Instagram or Facebook, you are speaking to everybody or anybody who tunes in. For Zoom, you're only speaking to people who have the access to that link. So it's a private meeting room, really. And a lot of people use it for one-on-one coaching. All right, so you can use it for one-on-one coaching, you can use it to talk to your clients, you can use it to talk to your employees, you can use it to talk to people privately about whatever you're doing. You can also use Zoom for webinars. The free version has a limit, but you can use it. All right. Another platform you can use is Skype. In fact, Skype has been there for such a very long time that we just use it as a word in the English language. Oh, I'll Skype you. Meanwhile, you can talk to somebody through other different platforms, not necessarily Skype. But because Skype has been there for such a long time, many of us started off using Skype. But what I found is that you can't do webinars using Skype, so it's easier to use platforms like Zoom to do webinars. But for Skype works, but it's great for one-on-one meetings when you're talking to somebody. You can also do chats with Skype. That's another great thing about Skype. You can be having a chat conversation with Skype. But I want to remind you that when Skype came out, we were not using WhatsApp. We were using WhatsApp now. We're not using did we have BBM? We had BBM. But for business, we used to use Skype, because even if the internet was bad and you couldn't really do video, you could do chat. But now I guess you can also use WhatsApp now. Oh god, technology keeps changing. But anyway, there's Skype and it is free. Number 5, another free platform you can use is Wave. So Wave is an accounting platform. You can even just check it out, Wave Accounting. So the accounting platform, it allows you to create invoices, to do receipts. I use it for all of my business transactions. If you ever bought anything from us, you will see that we always give you receipts. All those things is powered by Wave, and it's free. If you can use it for free, they have a free package, and I think that every online business can easily do that. And if you're not keeping your records, this is side note, let me just sharply tell you that you should be keeping records, so that at the end of the year you know how much you're making, whether your business is profitable or not. All of that can be done in Wave. Like what I actually do in my own business is that every transaction has to have a receipt. Anybody gives us any money, you have to give you a receipt. So that helps us to know how much money we've made. And also for our expenses, every kobo that we pay for, anything that we pay for, we put it inside our Wave account, and that way we know what our expenses are, we know whether we're making a profit, we can track all these things, and you don't have to be an accountant to know all of these things. Just pay a little interest, just take some time, and you spend time figuring Wave out, and you'll be fine. But this is important. If you want to run a business, you have to know your numbers. 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 Oh God. Number 6, another platform you can use for free is Acuity Scheduling. Acuity Scheduling, like the name implies, is used to schedule appointments. So if you do one-on-one coaching, if you're doing this type of work, monetizing your knowledge, there are times where you have to speak to your clients or people or even your staff one-on-one. You might want to schedule appointments with people. All right, and one of the platforms you can use for free is Acuity Scheduling. There are a number of them that you can also use for free. I think there is Calendly, but currently I use Acuity Scheduling, and what it does, it allows your clients to go to your to go and see your calendar, book an appointment, and it sends people reminder emails. Don't forget, you set an appointment to somebody with so person by a particular time. You should come for that appointment. So this helps your business be a bit more organized. What you will find is that when you're an expert, everybody wants to talk to you, everybody wants to pick your brain, everybody wants to ask you questions. What you can do is to have this organized. You can say, you know what, you can talk to me, but book an appointment. All right, and if you're even doing consultations, if you're doing 1 hour of my time, I'm charging for a particular amount of money. When they finish paying, you send them your calendar so they can book an appointment, and then on that day you show up, they show up. Win-win for two of you. Number 7, Hootsuite. So Hootsuite is a social media scheduling platform. I don't know that's what they call themselves, but basically you can schedule posts on social media. You can say, I want this to go out by 8 o'clock, I want it to go out by 9 o'clock, I want it to be on Facebook, I want it to be on Twitter. So what you can do, you can schedule a post on Hootsuite and it will just be going by itself. So the spelling is HOOTSUITE. So they have a free version that you can start using for now to schedule your posts on across some social media platforms. Number 8 is my personal favorite. I don't know what I would do without this tool. And it is Google Doc. Google Doc. So Google Doc is basically like Microsoft Word, but it's on the cloud. So let me tell you what it means. It means that when I go to my laptop, if I have a document on Google Doc, I work on that document. When I go to my phone, all I have to do is to open the app, the Google Doc app, and I can see my file. So I can work on the file on my laptop, I can work on file on my phone, I can work on file on my iPad, wherever I go. If I log into a different computer, all I need to do is sign up to my account and I can have access to my documents. So I really love that platform that Google created. So you never have to worry about whether the laptop crashed or whether the God forbid my laptop not crashed, but you never have to worry about whether the laptop crashed or the phone got missing or anything, because your documents are all stored in the cloud. So I absolutely love Google Doc. I don't even have to tell you the amount of love I have for it, because it has made my life easier, and the amazing part is that you can use it for free. I also like how it doesn't have all these you did not save. Like if you put something on Google Doc, it automatically saves. Like you don't have to be saying Control S or Control this or Control that. It just saves automatically, and you don't have to worry about those, oh, the file went off, the laptop died or something died and your file did not save. All that story. I don't know if you've been using Word for a long time, you know this frustration of how you type something and won't save. In Google Doc, everything saves automatically. So it's an amazing, fantastic tool, and the best part is it is what? Free. Number 9 is a tool called Drift. So have you ever gone to all these websites and when you get there, there's a chat box at the bottom saying, hello, welcome, how can we help you? All right, that's a chat box. Is a chat box. It's automatic. So what it does is that people can come on your website and they can actually ask you questions. They can say, hey, I want to buy this thing, but these are the questions that I'm having, or I'd like to know whether you guys sell this particular product. So it's an amazing tool, and they have a free package. All right, so you can use Drift. When somebody sends you a message, you get a notification so that you go there and you answer them wherever you are. So you can have it on your, and you can respond to them if you're on your laptop, you can respond to them if you're on your phone, and you can quickly respond to clients who are having issues. I tried it once on my platform and I found out that when people were having questions, they just wrote it down and I could answer them quickly and resolve the challenges that we're having. The best part, again, like I've said before, it's free. You can use it. Drift, D-R-I-F-T. Number 10 and 11, we have Google Drive and Dropbox. So once again, these are platforms that are hosted on the cloud, which means that if you store anything on their platforms, regardless of wherever you are, you can access these files. So Google's own is Google Drive, and there's also Dropbox. You can save videos, you can save documents, you can save any kind of file. You can use it to share your documents with another person. All right, you can say, I'm going to share you a PDF. I'll upload it on Google Drive, on Dropbox. I'll send the link to whoever I'm sending it to. That person that has the link can just click on it, download it, and they have access to that document. Number 12 and 13, Google Form and Typeform. So Google Form is a platform that allows you to create forms. The difference between Google Form and Typeform is that Typeform is prettier. So it's prettier, like it's nicer, their layout is nice, like the way they set up their phone, it's just prettier basically. But they do the same thing, all right? They do the same thing, but the big difference is that Typeform is prettier, but they allow you to have forms. With Typeform, if you're using their free account, I think you can only have a minimum of 10 questions, 9 or 10 questions. You can't go above that. So if you want to do one long form and you don't want, and you have on a budget you can't really pay, you might have to use Google Forms, because Google Forms doesn't have a limit. It allows you to have so many questions, ask people so many questions, all for free. Number 14, Bitly. What I like about Bitly is that it allows you to shorten your links. So by the time you start doing this, doing your online business, if your name is long alone, like my name is long, Stephanie Obi is long, you will now have slash, the category name, slash the page name, so it's a bit long. So if you want to shorten it, you can use a Bitly link to shorten the length of your links. Now the other interesting thing about Bitly is that it allows you to track how many people are clicking on that link. There are some analytics around it. You can see how many people click, like where they're clicking from and stuff like that. So that's another amazing platform that you can use once again. Last but not the least, MailChimp. Now, if you're building an online business, if you're trying to monetize your personal brand, if you're trying to create sell courses, sell coaching, or sell any information product, one thing you must be doing is to build your email list. This thing is very crucial, very vital, very important. You have to be building a community of people who want to hear from you, who have gotten used to reading from you, and who want to pay for your products eventually. So the great thing about MailChimp is that it allows you to grow your list to 2,000 before it starts charging. 2,000. So by the time you get to 2,000, your fish must have been grounded on the floor. Like you have to be ready to start serious business. So because the thing is, when you're starting at first, you're still not clear by a number of things. Like you're not probably still starting making any money, and you don't want to be spending too much money. But with what MailChimp has done is that it's giving you soft landing. So when you call me, as you're getting yourself together, as you're finding clarity and putting together your packages, MailChimp allows you to use your platform for absolutely free. All right, with that being said, if you haven't joined my email list, please visit www.stephanieobi.com. You will see that I have a free online course starter kit, and that online course starter kit, I have a list of additional tools you need if you're trying to launch an online course. So I have an online course tech guide for non-techie people with more tools. So please go to stephanieobi.com, sign up, check your email, you will see my freebie delivered to you. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching to the end. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. Encourage me, please. If my morale should die like this, if you allow my morale die, I will just go back. So please encourage me, don't allow this ginger to end. Subscribe. When you subscribe, it makes me feel like, okay, this work is paying off. So please subscribe, put the thumbs up button, and if you know anybody who would like this video, tell them about the video, because I hope that anybody who is starting off would need to manage their funds and will find this video very, very helpful. So thank you for watching. I will see you next week, same time.